Hi friends, I'm Sunny from Hebei Shuanghu Accessories Company Limited. Today I will show you around our factory. The leading manufacturer in drum brake producing, research and developing for more than 30 years experience. We have about 400 employees, more than 20 technicians and engineers. We are the drum brake supplier exclusively for more than 100 axle manufacturers in China. We have 4 product series: bicycles, electric vehicles, taxi vehicles, and golf carts, and micro trucks. For new energy vehicles, we are the second-tier supplier for Geely, Chery, and Lutong, Shandong Hongri, etc. For taxi vehicles and golf carts, we are the second-tier supplier for Michelle, HDK, and Guangdong Lutong, etc. For micro trucks, we are the second-tier supplier for Fortune, Dongfeng, Chang'an, etc. Now let's have a take a look of our office building.